The overview segment of this presentation focuses on the modules that make up HME Home Monitoring Solution. There are 6 modules that are available through the Smart Health platform, consisting of remote patient monitoring, remote therapy monitoring, pharmacy dispensary, diabetes management, wound care management, and transitional care. Each of these chronic care remote patient monitoring codes can be fulfilled by HME and billed directly to Medicare. CPT code 99453 is the reimbursement for the initial patient setup and equipment training. The CPT code 99454 is for the capturing of vitals from the patient's home through Medicare-approved home monitoring equipment and transferring the patient vitals to a HIPAA-approved internet storage platform. We also have registered nurses that can perform all the necessary clinical duties for the reimbursement of CPT code 99457 clinical services remotely. This service can be billed to Medicare by HME, or we can bill the doctor for the service and the doctor bills Medicare. The simplest path to implement RPM services is to let our company supply all the services for the first 90 days, and then we will transfer the clinical services to the doctor's practice. HME will continue to supply the technical service through CPT code 99454 and transfer the clinical responsibilities to the doctors in small steps, enabling the doctor practice to take over the clinical responsibilities at a comfortable pace. Number 2, remote therapy monitoring is still in its infancy stage and is expected to be as popular in the future as RPM is today. HME offers 2 styles of medication monitoring products: our self-loading device and a sealed canister device. Medication adherence may be the single most important monitoring device that we offer. The AI Health Cloud will document the time and date when the medication was taken and produces a report to the healthcare professional of the outcome. Number 3 module aligns the local pharmacy with the doctor or hospital to supply the home monitoring equipment on behalf of HME, enabling the patient to pick up the needed equipment as they do their medication. The local pharmacy is convenient for the patient to pick up equipment and for face-to-face support. Number 4 is the diabetes management module that offers a better solution for people suffering from diabetes. The meter is FDA approved and passed the ISO 15197 performance test and approved for home and hospital use. It will automatically connect to the Smart Health Cellular Gateway or the new DR Watch. The gateway will transmit the glucose meter test results and insulin usage to the Health Cloud for storage and viewing. With the reimbursement of the RPM CPT code 99454, the glucose meter can be supplied at no additional cost. Number 5 is the remote wound care management solution that will involve the use of a remote ET nurse that will view photos transferred through the cellular gateway and create the protocols for healing of the stage 2 through stage 4 wounds. This module will be available September of 2023. Number 6 is the transitional care module that recently finished a 2-year pilot in 4 large hospitals. We worked with a client located in Central Florida to create the transitional care module used in the pilot. The 4 hospitals that participated lowered their hospital readmissions by 50% and maintained this reduction for a second year, saving the hospitals millions from their past history of readmission expense. The transitional care module is available with a small upcharge, and the new module is managed by the man who masterminded the changes and created the special protocols that led to the impressive savings. Number 7 is the RPM rental package. It includes 3 pieces of equipment consisting of the Smart Cellular Gateway, Vital Watch, and a third piece of equipment that matches the patient's chronic condition and selected by the physician. In this example, the patient has high blood pressure. The doctor has a large selection of products manufactured by Smart Health to choose from, and other products like Fitbit and Dexcom will also connect. The standard items included in each rental package are the Vital Watch and the Cellular Gateway that enables 24/7 monitoring of the patient and seamlessly transfers the vitals to the Health Cloud. The artificial intelligence built into our Smart Health Cloud will recognize health trends and warn the patient and caregiver of these trends through text, email, and IVR. HME Rental Solution allows the physicians a path to implement remote patient monitoring within their practice without any out-of-pocket expenses for the physician or any additional workload for their nurses. The rental package is available as a complete solution that includes the remote nurse for reimbursement of clinical and technical. Or HME fulfills the technical needs and the doctor practice do what they do best and supply the clinical needs. The next video will detail the features of the cell phone app followed by the Health Cloud platform. There has been updates to the software since the video was released and can update you on the recent changes through a Zoom call.